When using the remote controller, ensure the antenna is vertical to guarantee optimal signal reception. The middle button is the power switch of the remote controller. Press and hold to turn on or off. The A button is for one-click return to home. During operation, pressing and holding the A button will cause the drone to automatically return to the takeoff point and hover, allowing for manual landing. The B button switches to AB point operation mode. Its usage will be demonstrated in a later section discussing AB point operation. The C and D buttons are blank, customizable for shortcuts. The two joysticks on the left and right are used to control the flight of the drone. Choose your preferred joystick mode: American hand or Japanese hand. The upper left toggle switches between position hold and autonomous operation modes, and the dial controls the speed of spreading and centrifugal disc operation. The upper right toggle is the water pump switch, and the dial is a blank key. There are 3 ports on top: a headphone jack, a Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and a SIM card slot for inserting a data card.